Ever wondered how chemical formulas are written? These cryptic codes of letters and numbers are actually a way to represent the composition of chemical compounds. They serve as a universal language that scientists use to communicate precise information about molecules and their makeup. Understanding them is crucial because they reveal the identity of the elements involved and the ratio of their atoms in a compound. As we delve deeper, we'll unravel the mystery behind these formulas, starting with simple compounds like sodium chloride. Consider sodium chloride, the common salt. How do we represent it chemically? Let's break it down. Each element has a unique chemical symbol. Sodium is represented by Na, from its Latin name natrium. Chlorine, on the other hand, is represented by Cl. Together they form the basic chemical formula of sodium chloride, which is NaCl. But how do we know in what order or proportion to combine these elements? Here's where the concept of valency comes into play. Valency is the combining power of an element. Sodium has a valency of 1 and chlorine also has a valency of 1. When the valencies of the two elements are equal, they combine in a 1-to-1 ratio, which is why sodium chloride is written as NaCl, without any numbers indicating the ratio. So, sodium chloride's formula is written as NaCl, as simple as that. Now, what about a more complex compound like calcium chloride? Let's break it down. Calcium, represented by the symbol Ca, is a metal in the second group of the periodic table, meaning it has a valency of 2. Chlorine, on the other hand, is a nonmetal in the 17th group, represented as Cl, and it has a valency of 1. To form a stable compound, these elements aim to achieve a full outer shell of electrons. Calcium, having 2 electrons to spare, can share them with 2 chlorine atoms, each needing 1 electron to fill its outer shell. So when we write the formula, we start with the symbol of each element, Ca for calcium and Kl for chlorine. But since calcium is sharing its electrons with 2 chlorine atoms, we add a subscript 2 after the Cl to indicate this. Therefore, calcium chloride's formula is written as KCl2. Remember, the subscript number indicates the number of atoms. Writing chemical formulas might seem daunting at first, but it's all about understanding the elements and their valencies. Remember, starting with a simple formula like NaCl or diving into more complex ones like KCl2, it's all about the dance of elements and their valency. Grasping this concept is the key to unlocking the secret language of chemistry. So the next time you see a chemical formula, you'll know it's not just random letters and numbers, but a language that tells us what that substance is made of.